Assalamu alaikum students. Student of class 9th. There is a chapter named Allama Iqbal. Previously I had explained this chapter or discussed this chapter with you. Now in this lecture I'll provide you the notes. Take out your literature copies and start writing the work. Question number 1. When and where was Allama Iqbal born and why he is known as Dr. Iqbal? Answer is Allama Iqbal was born in Sialkot on 9th November 1877. He got his degree of PhD from Munich University for his work in Persian philosophy. That is why he is known as Dr. Muhammad Iqbal. Second question. Why did Allama Iqbal want a separate state for the Muslims? Question mark. And the answer is he declared that Muslim as a separate nation. He wanted to free them from Hindu domination. Therefore, he demanded a separate state for the Muslims of India. This demand shocked both the Hindus and the British alike. They both opposed it. Question number 3. What lesson did Allama Iqbal learn from the history of Muslims? Question mark. And the answer is he had a great love for Islam. He devoted a great part of his life to the study of Islam. He learned from the history of Muslim that Islam had saved Muslim at different moments. The Muslim did not save Islam. He always advised the Muslims to remain true to their faith. He believed that faith in Islam would save the Muslim from complete destruction. Come to question number 4. Why is 15 August 1907 an important date for us? And the answer is Pakistan appeared on the map of the world on 14 August 1947. It is a red letter day for us. We celebrate it with great pomp and show. We express our love and loyalty to the country and display our patriotic spirit. Question number 5. When Muslim and Pakistan, when did it came into being? Answer is the Muslim demanded Pakistan on 23rd March 1940. The Muslim League passed a resolution for a separate state in Lahore. The resolution is known as Pakistan Resolution. Put the heading of short note. It should be started with a separate page, mean next page. The poet of the East was born in Sialkot on 9th November 1877. He received his early education in his hometown. He passed MA in 1899 from the Punjab University. He was appointed Professor of Arabic at Oriental College, Lahore. In 1908, he was awarded a degree of PhD from Munich University. He took an active part in the struggle of Pakistan. The Muslims awoke from their sleep as a result of Iqbal's efforts. Now student, start with the next page. Put the heading of fill in the blanks. Blank number 1. He was born in dash on 9th November 1877 and the blank is Sialkot. Second is in 1908 he got the degree of dash PhD. Third, he made a dash demand in 1940. Definite demand. Number 4, the dash was passed on 23rd March 1940, Pakistan Resolution. Allama Iqbal was a great philosopher. Number 6, he wanted a separate state for the Muslim, for a dash of India, Muslims of India. Allama Iqbal presided over dash meeting, Allahabad meeting. He was awarded a PhD degree by dash Munich University. Ninth, He passed MA in dash 1899. Allama Iqbal was a dash also, philosopher also. Now start with the next page, that will be the RTC of the chapter. RTC text is: he devoted a great part of his life to the study of Islam. He also took an active part in politics. Question number 1. Mention the chapter name, and the answer is Allama Iqbal. Number 2. Who devoted a great part of his life? Answer is Allama Iqbal devoted a great part of his life. Number 3. Who took an active part in politics? Answer in last month. These are the notes of Allama Iqbal, as I had read this chapter and explained it to you and discussed with you also previously in my last lecture. So kindly complete your work, complete your copies, as it is the 7th topic of English literature. So only comes on the voice can be available in between so and also, as we have done 3 topics of our language also. After that we will kindly complete your work and bring these on Wednesday. Stay blessed and stay healthy.